Ruhan was a young boy who had a habit of holding gods. One day he had a big fight with his best friend, Aryan. Over a misunderstanding, Ruhan's anger and hurt feelings lingered for days, and he found it hard to forgive Aryan. As time passed, Aryan tried to apologize and make amends, but Rohan refused to forgive. He carried the weight of yesterday's argument with him everywhere he went. His grades suffered, his relationship with others became strained, and he lost interest in activities he once enjoyed. One day, Rohan's grandmother Dadi noticed the change in him. She asked him to sit with her and share his troubles. Rohan poured out his hurt, telling her about the fight with Aryan and how he could not forgive him. Dadi listened patiently and then said, Rohan, I want to teach you something. She asked Ruhan to carry a big sack of potatoes on his back for a mile. Ruhan struggled and complained, but Dadi insisted. As they walked, she asked him to add a few more potatoes to the sack. Ruhan was puzzled but did as told.
Hi, how are you?
The sack grew heavier and Ruhan stumbled. Dadi asked, Rohan, why is this sack so heavy? Rohan replied, because it's full of potatoes. Dadi smiled and said, but that's not all that's making it heavy. It's the rocks you are adding to it. Rohan was confused. Dadi explained, each time you refuse to forgive and hold on to anger, you are adding a rock to your sack. Yesterday argument is like those potatoes. It's done. It is the past, but the rocks of resentment and anger are weighing you down. Rohan realized this mistake. He understood that holding on to grades was not only hurting him but also affecting his relationships and overall well being. He decided to let go of the gods and forgive Aryan. The next day, Rohan met Aryan and apologized for his behavior. Aryan was overjoyed and apologized too. They hugged each other and their friendship was stronger than ever. Rohan learned a valuable lesson that day. He realized that forgiveness is not for the other person's sake but for his own. By letting go of the past, he freed himself from the weight of resentment and anger. From that day on, Ruhan made a conscious effort to forgive and move forward. He understood that yesterday's burden should not be carried into today. Instead, he chose to focus on the present and build a brighter future.